Well, you gotta back up. I can't see him.
Amazing cat.
Fat cat.
Fat cat can play, I tell you that.
Higher, April.
Yeah, we can't. Oh, there we go. Come on. Grandpa. Or is it this one?
Oh, behind me it goes. April, try to go that way out of the light, because if you're in the light, I can't see.
This way?
Yeah. No, it's that way. Yeah, stand right there.
That one right now. That was cool, that move.
Higher, April. He got it in his mouth, doesn't he?
Yes. Oh, it's so cute. He looked right at the camera.
Gas ball.
Gas ball. Oh, this is not going to get. Gas ball. Okay, gas ball. Oh, it didn't work. It needs to be up for.
You stepped on him.
Oh.
He's already leaving. What?
I'm going to be leaving.
So stop it now?
Come on. Oh. No, that's true. It's going to start the van in that. I can leave him downstairs. Right there. Yes, Paul. Look at that lazy cat's laying down now. Can you see him?
Yep. Oh! Ha! Caught on camera, sucker.
Lazy cat, come on. Come on. Oh, it landed right on his head.
I seen that too on camera.
Chuck, don't look through the video. You, don't matter where you go, you're still going through the video. Okay, you can stop it.